Okay, Kel. Happy birthday. Come on down. Kel, so how old are you today? You 3?
Uh-huh.
Okay. Oh boy, what'd you get? What mommy and daddy buy you for your birthday?
Hey, we have a mini bike.
Did you get a mini bike?
Yeah, what?
You like it?
This is something.
Yeah.
Open.
Want to take it outside?
Let's open it first. Okay. Ow.
You want to sit on it? See if it fits?
Go ahead, hop on.
It's too big.
No, it isn't. Hop on. We can adjust the seat.
Man. Oh.
Here, we have to adjust.
What?
We have to adjust the seat. I need scissors.
But I can't get up.
What do you think, Kel? Do you like it?
Man, I can't get up. Man, I can't.
Jim, can you go with the scissors?
Here, sit on it real quick.
Man, I can't get up. First.
You need me to help you get up?
Maybe. This is too big.
Wow, look at
Let me
that.
see. Oh my gosh.
Look at daddy.
What's in there?
That's where you can put all your stuff, like your chapstick and sunglasses.
Kel, smile.
Where's mine? Where's mine?
We'll put stuff in
Do you
there.
like it?
Where's it? Where's it?
You like your bike?
Yeah. This pedal?
Mm-hmm.
Why is not moving?
Well, we have to be outside to let it move. Smile. Wow, that's a nice bike, Kel.
Wait, these. Where's my under her helmet?
Happy birthday, Kel.
Where's helmet?
We'll get you. It's downstairs.
Go first. Why this not working?
Those are your brakes.
My brake?